I have a free template for you to color. It's just a little paper booklet that you make yourself. And after you fold, and then the instructions are there, you're just going to go ahead and fold. And this becomes a little booklet. And the instructions, as I said, are really easy, and they are there on the blog spot. So you have a little booklet for you to color. My little fairyland flowers that I drew years ago. Different floral flowers. So each page has its own little flowers. This is a terrible, I'm not doing very well with this camera. It's not a very good lighting in here. And there's the back. So yeah, look at my blog, Sherry's Arts and Crafts.